Aloha everybody! Today we are in Oahu with my homie
Amsa.
and we are going to show you just the behind the scenes of another photo shoot. Nice thing about Hawaii is it's a very laid back area.
Very laid back.
And they have people that have muscles.
You have some there. He does.
Suck it in. you always have a six pack.
Yes.
Today we're going to showcase how to accentuate muscles. The thing that separates glam from fitness is glam is to accentuate curves. Fitness is to accentuate striations, muscles, shoulder caps, quads, 10 pec, biceps, triceps, everything. So the thing about lighting with fitness is a little bit different than your usual bikini girl on the beach. We want a shot that looks great, but we also want to make a shot that makes her muscles really stand out. So we're going to do that with 2 lights today, or 2 strobes. We have the sun, we're in the natural light shade, but we're going to take 2 strobes to really focus on popping the muscles. If you learned something, please consider clicking on that subscribe button and make sure you click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content, which is about once or twice every single week. If you learned something new, please let me know down in the comments. If you don't like what you saw, leave a thumbs down on her page.
Do it.
So we have the key light, camera left. That's going to go across the body here. That's going to hit this side of the core. That light over there is going to accentuate, it's an accent light. It's going to hit the other side of the core. You want highlight, shadow, highlight, shadow, highlight. That gives you the illusion of muscles. Going to help her look like she has muscles. Right, let's go. Good, on that left knee. Right on the back of his feet. You do it that way. Focus on that right quad, nice and tight. More this way, touch more. Right there, perfect. Come on, a little bit less this. Softer hand. Soft, soft. Good. Love that.
Got another shot?
Okay, I hit you.
Are we bleeding again? Or no, you're not bleeding.
Do you see that? He's so strong, he knocked down a tree.
Oh my god.
There's proof it was not me. I did not break nature.